Sarah is here.
Oh, video ba?
Yep. And Bahar is here too. And where are we right now? We're in Newport Beach. There are people inside. I don't know what they are doing, but I think they are getting some drinks inside.
So they're just coming up to breathe, and then they're heading back down.
Oh my god.
They're coming up to breathe, they're heading back down to eat. They're just really kind of scattered around. There's not a whole lot of them. They're just thin, they're really thinned out. See some really small ones if you're looking down in there. Those are some babies. So you see the bigger one, which would be the mama, and then you see the little baby ones. And they're just right next to mom.
Said they eat at night, so that's why during the day they sleep, and when the sun is out they start to eat.
We're heading back to the harbor and we just saw sea lions. They were sleeping right there on that red thing, and now we're going back.
Is a great driver. Captain.
He's very good.
It's a tight space. Oh my god, he didn't put the board in.